Here we are on a beautiful sunny winter day in Wisconsin. Everyone's out enjoying the new year, making ice skating rinks, fishing. We are riding, watching out for tip-ups. This is Lynn and Ann. Lynn is pretty new to snowmobiling, and she's taking Ann for her first ride. Of course, we give her the best of the best for a tour. This bridge here had somebody actually decapitated. So, you know, great place to take a beginner. Now, she was smart enough to duck, so that's cool. Pretty tight quarters here. Well, they're doing a great job. So we asked if they wanted to hit the trail. Of course, we made it to the trail, and they didn't quite lean that great, so that happened. But it's all good. We got back out there, and we were able to see some eagles and enjoy the rest of our day. Oh, here's an eagle on the snow right here. You'll see him take off. Oh, there he goes. Chasing eagles. This is a juvenile. Huge, but beautiful creature. All in all, an awesome day on the lake. Can't wait to do it again.